Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Zoma Hybrid Mattress, a product designed for optimal physical recovery. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Zoma Hybrid is a 12-inch tall mattress combining memory foam and pocket springs. It's targeted at enhancing sleep quality with its advanced technology. The mattress features a blend of memory foam and reactive foam for responsiveness, topped with gel-infused memory foam for cooling. It's supported by hundreds of pocketed coils for stability and airflow. In terms of comfort, the Zoma Hybrid offers a firm feel, great for back sleepers due to its supportive structure. However, side sleepers might find it too firm, causing pressure points. Temperature regulation is excellent, thanks to the gel-infused foam, which kept me cool throughout testing. It also boasts sturdy edge support, ideal for avoiding that roll-off feeling. During my testing, I found the Zoma Hybrid to be most comfortable when lying on my back. However, side sleeping was less ideal due to its firmness. To sum up, the Zoma Hybrid mattress impressed with its cooling properties and robust construction. It's a great choice for those who prioritize back support and temperature regulation. That wraps up our review of the Zoma Hybrid mattress. If you're interested in a detailed breakdown, check out our full review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews. Until next time, sleep well and stay tuned for more insights.